Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey boo! It's me, Yvonne Brooke. I'm back. I've got a little video for you guys. This is kind of my glow to everyday little look. It's perfect for day, night, summertime. It's my favorite look with this hair. So I got a ton of new makeup and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's get into the video.
Do you love me? Are you riding?
Hey guys, so I'm starting with fresh skin. I've done my entire skincare routine, sunscreen, all of that. Basically, I'm going to be putting on my primer. This is by The Ordinary. I like it. It's pretty good. It's their high adherence silicone primer. Oh, the fitting will come out. I've had this for a while. As far as the amount you get, I'm kind of but it's pretty good. I honestly don't know if I'm on the primer bandwagon quite yet. I like primers, like the idea of primers, but I don't think I've found one that has changed my life or anything. So I'm still kind of in the middle of that does primer work debate. Glow For It Model's Own Illuminator drops. Just Instagram style. Just smother my face with it. I really like this because it's pretty like thin in consistency. It's not glittery in my opinion. It's actually like a sheeny, shimmery illuminator. I would call it a true illuminator for sure. Okay, so it gives you a really nice subtle glow. Honestly, it's really, I really like it because I have oily skin and it doesn't look like I just put on anything crazy. It's a subtle glow. It honestly, I don't want to say it mattified me, but like the parts of my face that looked greasy don't look greasy, it just looked glowy. Wow. Today I'm mixing Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, so number 14, which is a little too dark for me right now, so that's why I've been mixing it with Maybelline's 24 Hour Super Stay, and this one is in Warm Coconut. And mixing these together, one pump each, gives me the perfect color, the perfect consistency. I've been loving these foundations together. I'm such a fan. Gives me such a good color. So I'm just taking a wet beauty blender. My face feels wet. I'm just taking my NYX brow pencil in Ebony, and then I'm also going to be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow gel. I love it. NYX, I love it. But how much of this pencil goes on my eyebrows and how much of it just goes into the wrong side of the fucking cap is insane. Like, make them different colors. Make one white. Like, what the fuck? Now I'm using LA Girl's Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Fawn. Okay, so my eyebrows are concealed and ready. I hope they don't look too much. If they look too much, please give me a comment because I do not want to be that one girl who got the whole boop 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 and the big line and the, you know, it's not a cute look. So I do appreciate constructive criticism, so don't ever be afraid to, you know, drop a little nice comment if you think I'm doing something that's less than flattering. Okay, so I'm gonna use a couple liquid products on the eyes. It's been a minute since I've used liquid anything on the eyes. I've been kind of just, you know, kicking it with powder eyeshadow, old school. This is the shade Bang Bang. This is Sorry Not Sorry, which is, these look like the lip lingeries, but they're not. So I'm going to put Sorry Not Sorry all over my lid. I'm gonna see if this can be used, as more of like a primer. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. I just think that's the easiest way with these. When I did it yesterday, it worked perfectly. Going straight into New Wave, my favorite eyeshadow from this palette. Pretty much the only reason I bought this palette, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going in with another brush. I'm going to be putting down Morocco from the Juvia's Place palette, that bright orange. See, very subtle. Even though it is super bright, I just, like, literally I take like one pounce. Like, I drop it, pop it, drop it, pop it. That's the best way to build up a color that's a little extreme or if you want to use the shade for something that's a transition, something really blown out instead of just like concentrated color, drop it and pop it. Okay, so I think I built up my transition. It's looking good, looking good. And I'm going into the SophX palette, and I'm taking my absolute favorite shade because I've used it pretty much every day. I get quite a bit. I don't think these are the most pigmented shadows, but I do like the way they blend out. So back into the SophX palette, I'm going even warmer, boop, with this shade here. Super gorgeous, lots of fallout, but we're gonna roll with it. To me, it's one of their Beyond Nude eyeshadows in Not Today. I haven't bought a single eyeshadow in so long. They're so fucking cute. I would totally recommend Bang Bang with Not Today. Bang Bang, Not Today, you have your perfect, simple look. Put on some lashes, you look gorgeous. I think we've done enough with the warms. I think we get the point. It's on the eyelids, it's blended out. It's not groundbreaking. Okay, now I'm going in with the Razzle Dazzle. This is the Stila Smoldering Satin. I don't know what these are called. Oh, Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. But I have never been so happy for a company to finally release something. This is the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser in tan. It's not even, and they have like 4 shades after this. But I'm impressed they at least got it right. Like if they were gonna do it, they did it right. Some fallout, I'm kind of trying to cover it up. But it blends out so easily, like a dream. Like you see in all the videos with all the white girls. Shout out to the white girls. We put this shit on the map. And now us black girls can finally use it. Like, it's fucking crazy to me, y'all. I'm going in with Makeup Revolution. This is their banana powder, but I think I'm gonna return it for their terracotta powder because this is just too white for me right now. Right, so this is the concealer and everything all set. I'm about to show you something I really didn't expect to like. And if you saw my last haul, then you might have seen it. Good to me. The Morphe Brontour and Fantabulous. A mix of, I guess this shade is, okay, it's a bronzer and a contour. So this shade is fantastic and this shade is fabulous. And fabulous is exactly its name. It is fabulous. It is the bronzer that I have been looking for. And I know it's a contour side, but baby, the warmth it gives you, the glow that it gives you is amazing. You're gonna just see what it does. You're just gonna see. So I take a little bit just on my brush, the matte side, and like, can we just really quickly like just talk? Black girl bronzer? Ugh, I'm just sick. I love it. I love it so much. Think outside the box. Accept colors that aren't what every other beauty guru has told you is gonna work for you or whatever. Just try it. Just try it. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Fantastic and I'm gonna put it on as blush. And I'm really gonna blend it into my cheeks just because I want it to kind of blend in with the bronzer and just create one cohesive look. And I take this and I also go like across my nose a little bit. I kind of run one big line across my face, which is really weird, but I smile while I do it so it only hits the high points. And at this point, that's when I would mix both of these. I would go like across the line, mix both, and then just... But see the warmth on my nose? Like, I like that. Like, I like that. Now I can go up and down my nose with it just a little bit. not bronzer, my favorite highlight in the world. This is the Beauty Bakerie highlight. This is in Glazed. The biggest blending brush I kind of have is what I use for my highlight, just because I think it puts it on smooth. I'm going to take a little bit of Mario Badescu facial spray with the aloe and cucumber, the green one. I'm just going to spray the brush a little bit, spray my face a little bit. I'm about to use the Ardell Mega Volumes. These are gorgeous looking. Like, they are the kind that have like multiple layers to them. These are the 252s. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so I have the lashes on. I decided against eyeliner today because I didn't think it was really gonna add. I kind of just wanted to see how pretty the lashes would look. I like them. The band is really thick, so you kind of gotta know what you're doing to get them right. I'm gonna put on my lip color, which is a discontinued shade, so I'm so sorry. This is the Old Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Wet. Look, hope you guys enjoyed. Loving the lashes. They're already kind of heavy on my eyes, so I'm like a little low. Eyes a little low, but it is from the lashes for now. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I don't know, it's super simple, chill, kind of just like an everyday going out look. So first of all, I have this top, which I actually hauled in one of my videos, my Boohoo haul. It's just like a little tube top with like these thin little elastic straps, and it's black. And then I have on my new favorite little jacket. This is from PacSun. Might be Brandy Melville, it might not. I don't remember. But it's just like red, white, and blue, and then white and blue, blue and red on the sleeve. So it's super cute, and it comes with a hood. And I like wearing it like off the shoulder because this summer it's super hot actually where I am. And then last, actually, I have my bag. This is a bag I've been carrying. I got it from TJ Maxx. I just really like it because I kind of mostly use it for work, but since I'm going out, I like it because it's a backpack and I can always change it into whatever I need it to be. So that's kind of the bag situation. And then I'm just wearing my favorite denim shorts. These are like my mom shorts. They're like super loose. Sometimes get confused with this skirt. But I love these. They're just nice denim. This is also from Boohoo. Also from Boohoo. And then last, I'm going to show you my shoes. Alright, so these are the shoes I'm wearing. This is the bottom half of my outfit. These are just some Reebok classics in off-white. Kind of. Alright, so I hope you guys like my outfit. Heading out for the day. I'm about to grab something to eat. I will see you guys in a later video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, folks.